a healthy lifestyle mean to you?
Yeah, to me, healthy lifestyle means we have to maintain a balance between physical and mental health. Because nowadays, everyone happen they are not happy in their life because of stress. So as well as it includes we have to do exercise regularly and eating nutritional food as well. And apart from that, I want to say if you are eating healthy food and exercising regularly and as well as getting enough sleep as well. If you are and drinking plenty of water, so that is help a lot because every person now they are busy in their schedule life. But if you have to really manage your life proper way, so you have to manage all those things: eating nutritional food and sleep. Enough sleep is important. Drinking enough water and exercising regularly. And it also I thought we have to spend enough time to your family, and then as well as
So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very special guest, special as well as energetic new guest, and I am so excited to have a conversation with her. So without further delay, let's dive in. So hello ma'am, how are you?
yeah, ma'am, I am pretty well. And what about you, ma'am?
Yes, I am also doing great. Thank you for asking, and I am looking forward your message so that we will start our conversation. Yes.
Yeah. I'm buzzing with the vibes, ma'am. These days now, I'm very means hearing, going here and there. So that's
Mhm.
why I fully occupied these days. Yeah,
Yes.
many of things. Yes.
Yes. I know you are a working professional and you have business also. I know very well. You are very much busy nowadays.
Yeah.
Mm.
Thank.
Okay. So since we are meeting for the very first time on my YouTube channel, I would love to know about you. Though I know you
Yeah.
very well, but for the audience, I would love to know.
Sure, ma'am. Uh, Still, I want to say something. It's been ages we met, ma'am. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm very delighted about my introduction.
Mm-hmm.
I delighted that my name is Pratibha. I'm
Mm-hmm.
from Maharashtra. Currently, I live in Pune.
Mm-hmm.
And if I talk about education, I have a complete master as well as a B.Ed.
Mm-hmm.
And if I talk about my hobbies, so I have a different types of habit. I'm
Mm-hmm.
a thin thumb, I'm a itchy feet, as well as I'm morning yoga and evening walk. It's a non-negotiable parts of my daily routine,
Mm-hmm.
and they are truly invigorating and keeps me healthy, calm, and energetic, and
Mm-hmm.
always happy.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm a melophile person as well.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever I bottle up my emotion, that time I simply turn on my Bluetooth and I listen music. But I won't bottle up my emotion. I am be in my bonnet. I am in my bonnet because about learning this language. Because nowadays you also know English is our global language. It's a very compulsory for us. So I'm consider myself positive, go-getter, and high driven person, and I'm truly grateful, ma'am, because you invited me to your YouTube channel. So for that, thank you very much for inviting me. Yeah, this is little bit about me, ma'am.
Okay, no need to say thank you, ma'am. It's my pleasure. You are also in my channel. So, feeling is mutual, I can say. Okay. So, would you like to know about me?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Why not?
Okay, so as you know, my name is Sunanda, and I am a proud mother of one son, and I live in Odisha. And earlier, I used to work as a teacher, but now I am a proud homemaker. And as far as my qualification is concerned, I have done master, B.Ed, and and lately I have heard a bee in my bonnet about polishing this language. And recently I have created my own YouTube channel, and in this way I'm trying to make myself engage, and daily I'm trying to say upload English related content shorts, and this is pretty much about me.
Oh my God, I feel great, ma'am. You have incredible. What? Oh my God. It's
Okay.
ineffable for me. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Okay, ma'am. So today we are here to discuss about a very interesting as well as very informative topic. Okay, so that is a healthy lifestyle. Okay,
Yeah.
so I would like to know from your side, ma'am, what do you mean? Okay, what does a healthy lifestyle mean to you?
Yeah. To me, healthy lifestyle means we have to maintain a balance between physical and mental health.
Mm-hmm.
Because nowadays, everyone happen, they are not happy in their life because
Mm-hmm.
of stress. So as well as it includes we have to do exercise regularly and eating nutritious food as well.
Mm-hmm.
And apart from that, I want to say, if you are eating healthy food and exercising regularly, and as well as getting enough sleep as well, if you are and drinking plenty of water,
Mm-hmm.
so that is a help a lot. Because every person now they are busy in their schedule life, but if you have to really manage your life proper way, so you have to manage all those things: eating nutritious food, and sleep enough. Sleep is important, drinking enough water, and exercising regularly. And it also, I thought, we have to spend time, enough time to your family. And then uh, as well as I want to say, it's a very necessary, because every person is busy in their life, but we have to spend time with your family, and you have to manage your stress as well. If you manage your stress, then you will live happily. And as well as healthy lives means we have to always feel like grateful, and feel energetic and happy as well. So we have to manage all those things, then it will we can live our life. Yeah, yeah, this is my take on, man, this question. And I
Yeah.
think so, ma'am, what is your thinking about that question as well?
Yes, I think, yes, as you told, healthy lifestyle means it is not only our physical healthy. I believe healthy lifestyle means we have to take care of our body as well as our mind also. Because for that reason we have to do yoga, meditation, and always we have to stay positive and optimistic. And yes, and also the diet also, we should be little bit conscious about our diet. We always avoid junk food, always love to eat homemade food. And also we also love to add some vegetable in our diet. And all these things if we do, and just morning and evening walk also very much beneficial. So I think, also I believe apple a day keeps the doctor away. So we should also inculcate fruits habit also in
Yeah.
add in our diet chart. So if we maintain all these things, then we can easily spend our life happily and in a healthy way.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. True,
yes,
true.
yes.
I'm
So,
resonate with you. Yeah.
okay, okay, thank you. So my next question, ma'am, I want to know from your side, what are the daily habits? Okay, what are the daily habits help you to stay healthy and active?
Yeah, in my that is a very interesting question. You took the words right out of my mouth, ma'am. Really,
Okay.
yeah. In my opinion, if you have to stay healthy in your daily life, you have to organize all those things, and you have to mentally prepare first. Then first, waking up early in the morning, I'm doing like this: waking up early in the morning and drink a warm a glass of water. Then I believe that morning yoga and practicing of exercising.
Hmm.
So exercise, nowadays exercise is very very important in our life. It
Hmm.
no, and it also gives us energetic and feel happy as well. And then it will feel our mood very relaxed, and as well as we can say physically fit, and our mentally also we feel active if you exercise regularly. I'm also doing like this, exercise regularly, and believe that nutrition food and balance what we have to eat. I regularly diet in my what how to eat protein, vitamins, and salads and carbohydrate. So that type of I manage my daily habits. Then it will feel me very energetic, and I manage my stress. Anyhow, I have to manage my stress. So that's why if I manage my stress, I will manage my home as well. Then it is very important, if you are really practicing yoga regularly and exercising and eating nutritional food and think positively and manage stress. It is a overall, I can say, we have to your daily habits, daily routine. It help us energetic. If you are happy, the more you happy, the more your families also feel happy, and it gives us energy as well. And I can say, just like you also mentioned, in our life we have to eat fruit as well. But now fruits is important, but nowadays we can't believe anymore, ma'am. Everywhere we know what is going on in apple as well, in banana, but still we have to manage our healthy life. We have to our daily routine life, so we have to eat that type of maintain our life. If you do like this, so really our life is, oh my god, means over the moon, I can say. So that way, in my daily routine, I do that all those things. Anyhow, ma'am, anyhow, I do exercise and walk as well, and maintain my quality food as well. Which type of oil we have to use, so that is also important. And how we have to eat, not too much. If you eat too much, that will not your body is like not looking like a fit. It is increase our health issues. So that's why in that way I manage my daily routine. Yeah, ma'am, this is my take on.
Yes, yes, I couldn't agree more, ma'am. I also want to add one thing. We should always reduce our screen time also, because maximum time we are just indulging to watch our mobile. So
Oh,
that is not perfect for our health, I can say.
yeah,
So if we reduce little bit time about scrolling mobile, and we devote this time for our physical exercise, like walking, morning walk, evening walk, yeah, meditation, all these things. And I can say this is very much helpful, as well as I also believe go to bed early and wake up early. Okay, so if you go to bed timely, and then if you wake up early in the morning, then it is also very good habit. And immediately after working, if we consume a little bit warm water, this is also helpful. And so all these healthy habits, if we inculcate in our daily life, then definitely we can maintain our health in a very nice way. Okay.
yeah, ma'am.
So,
We don't need any doctor. You know,
no.
if we are a fit, you don't need any doctor. It is a depend on up to us how maintain
Mm.
we are living. So that is up to us. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we should little bit careful about what we are consuming. As you
Yeah,
told, we should careful about our oil, which type of oil we are consuming, which type of food we are consuming. Always try to avoid junk foods. Always try
yeah,
to make home foods at home. So if we do all these things, and also add some sprouts and salads in our diet, then it is also
yeah,
very much helpful to make ourselves fit and energetic. Okay. So yes,
Yeah.
after that, I want to know from your side, ma'am, what do you think? Diet is more important than exercise for healthy lifestyle? Which one
Yeah.
is more
In my
important, diet or exercise?
Yeah, in my opinion, both are very important. Not
Mhm.
only diet, not only exercise, because they both are interconnect with us. So if we are eating healthy food, but we are not doing exercise, so that
Mm,
is not a matter. And if
mm,
you are exercising regular, if you are practicing exercising regular, but you are not eating healthy food, so that's not a matter. We have to balance to each other. So if we have a body, so it's a very necessary, we have to eat nutrition food, and
yeah,
that nutrition food gives us healthy and energetic as well. Then it will you feel like a energetic full day. And if we are only eating but not exercising, so that is also not helpful for us. Because if we are doing exercise and we are eating proper diet, so that both are maintained to each other is very important. I want to say exercise is also important, eating healthy food also important. uh, Nowadays, everywhere life has a rat racing, ma'am. Every person is they don't have enough time for exercising as well. So I want to say we have to manage all those things. Then exercise is also important and eating healthy food also important. Both are related to each other. I'm doing like person, ma'am. Eating, I daily eat healthy food and exercise also regularly. So I don't need to go to doctor, because I know how I maintain my physical. And in that age also, ma'am, I'm not taking any type of medicine, because I believe that exercise and healthy food is important. So both are important, man, in our life. Yeah,
yeah.
I want to
Both,
say.
yes, ma'am. I also believe like you, both go hand in hand. Okay. And because exercise make us strong and flexible, but
Yeah.
food makes us healthy. So I can say both are required and necessary for our healthy lifestyle. Okay. So yes, and I know you are very much serious about your health and lifestyle. I know very well. But I want to know,
Right.
ma'am, what are the challenges normally people face? Okay, whenever they want to maintain a very healthy lifestyle, what are the challenges people normally face in their life? Please give me some ideas.
Challenges.
Yeah, what are the challenges people face whenever they want to maintain a healthy lifestyle?
Yeah, I want to say, in my opinion, the only of lack of time, ma'am.
Hmm.
Nowadays, I just told you, life. Nowadays, life has become a rat racing.
Hmm.
Everybody running behind money. They don't have enough time, and
True.
there as well as office timing, study timing, school timing, college timing, going school, tuition classes, as well as family responsibility as well. Every person running because their work for their work. So I can say, because lack of timing, people are like struggling too much, because they don't get enough time for exercising. And that's why they feel like stressful, and they have to manage their stress. And if they manage their stress, then it will they eat properly. But every person nowadays busy. In all families, we can say, mother and father both are working, parents are working, and they are fully stressful because of lack of timing. They're not practicing their exercising, as well as not eating healthy food as well, because they don't have time to prepare healthy meal. So that's why, because of stress, they now leads to their unhealthy food. They always eat unhealthy food. So that's why nowadays it's very, very important exercise and eating healthy food. But lack of timing, people are nowadays, they are not doing their life happily. They are earning money. Still, they have a different types of disease, I want to say. And they earning money and go to doctor. So it's not a, it's not, it should not happen. So I want to say we have to thinking positively, manage our stress, and we have to proper planning as well. And we have to consistent about what we have to eat, what we have to do. So that is the most important in our life. Yeah, I want to say like this, ma'am.
Yes, yes. I totally resonate with you and agree with you, ma'am. Because people normally, those are doing corporate job. Okay, they don't have time. They are doing 9 to 6 job, yeah, 9 to 8
Yes.
job like that, and they don't have time to take care of their health as well as if I am talking about homemakers, they are also busy their household chores and taking care of his her
Children.
childrens and all. So, they everybody is busy their own life. Okay, they are always just those are homemaker. Then it's okay for them. They are just preparing food at home. They are consuming. Then it's okay. And if both husband and wife both are working, then I can say it's little bit difficult for them. They always depend on outside food. They don't have time to cook food at home. They always
Yeah.
depend on outside food, and as you know, outside food is not healthy at all. So and they also don't get time to do any physical exercise also, like morning walk, evening walk, because whole day they were fully busy, fully hectic, totally drained after doing his office work and all. They are totally drained. They don't have time to do any physical exercise, as well as they don't have time to cook food. So in this way
Yeah.
they are dependent on others. So they are nowadays they are facing such type of challenges, I must say. Those are wants to inculcate this habit, but still they are not properly doing all
Yeah.
these things. Yes, yes.
Due to
Okay, so
circumstance. Yes, ma'am. And likewise, I want to say children also, because they know parents is not available, they feel hungry, so automatically in a now 1 second we get all those things. In
mm-hmm.
Blinkit is available.
Yes,
They
yes.
know how to order all those things. They order
Mm.
and they can. So that's why,
Yes,
ma'am,
yes,
it
yes,
is a
yes.
very necessary. We have to
Mm.
take care first our family.
Mm.
That is our priority. I want
Mm.
to say, work
Yeah,
is good.
yes, ma'am. Once upon a time, you are consuming junk food, it's okay. But always
Yeah,
you are consuming junk food, it is not good for health, I must say.
yeah,
We should little bit careful about our health, and we should take care of our children also. Because children's normally demand for outside food, junk food, like that. So we should make them understand, no, it is not good for health. We should give them different foods which our children likes. So in this way we can little bit make them understand. Okay,
yeah.
so yes, yes. So anything want, ma'am, will you want to say anything?
No, no, ma'am.
Okay.
No, 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 no.
Yeah, so I want to know, I know you very well, you are very much particular about your health and lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, but I want to know if you want to change, okay, one unhealthy habits in your lifestyle. So I
Yeah,
want to know what would it be? What would it be if you want to change?
yeah. I think, in my opinion, I want to reduce my time on
Mm-hmm.
my mobile.
Mm-hmm.
Nowadays every person, they are very fond of about that mobile. But
Mm-hmm.
it is a pros and cons also in that mobile. Every
Mm-hmm.
person get advantage as well as disadvantage as well. But you have to use our phone by very wisely. If
Mm-hmm.
you So I want to reduce my time, reduce my mobile time and
Mm-hmm.
screening time as well. Because if you are 12 hours, 13 hours, 12 hours, 10 hours using laptop phone, so it will affect on your eyes as well. as well as head. So every person now they are using mobile, laptop, tab, all those things. Only screening time they using. So I want to say one habit I have to reduce on screen timing, using mobile timing as well. Instead of that, I very believe I want to read books, because nowadays I am inculcating that habit. I am a bibliophile person. I'm not into reading, but I have to inculcate this habit. Instead of mobile, whatever I want to use for reading as well. So I try to read my book, because in a hard copy using and mobile, so that is totally different. Whatever you want to read, if you use your mobile, so that is affect on your full body. But if you use hard coffee, and you should you can read, so it is very feel energetic, as well as you will get automatically sleep. But instead of that, if you are using our mobile at night, so we not get enough sleep, because our interest is developed. Yeah, what is next, what is next, what is next, any movie, any podcast, whatever you want. So I want to reduce that timing. Instead of that, I can very fond of about nowadays in reading. I want to inculcate this habit, ma'am. Yes.
Okay,
And
very
what do
good.
you think about, ma'am, that question?
Yes, yes, I also feeling sometimes I am spending lots of time using mobile and all. So yes, I would also love to like to reduce my screen time, as well as I like to inculcate good habits. Yeah, any learning habits. Yeah, any
Learn.
other habits which is very much helpful for my growth, personal growth. So I also want to add these things. And okay, so, okay, ma'am, nice. And thank you so much for your valuable information. And yes, those are watching our video, definitely those when get some knowledge about healthy lifestyle, and how they will become healthy and all. So, yes, thank you again for joining me and making
Yes.
this conversation very much valuable. So,
And
ma'am,
thank you very much. You are invited me on your YouTube channel. Thank you for inviting, ma'am. Yeah, I'm
oh,
always and you are doing your great job. I'm appreciate you, ma'am. Really.
thank you again, thank you, ma'am.
And you are
Okay,
looking stunning today.
okay, thank you. You are also, ma'am. You are also. Okay, so,
Yes.
ma'am, we are now running out of time. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, then
Yes.
I'm going to close. Okay, bye bye, ma'am. Have a nice
Okay.
day.
Bye, ma'am. Call it a day, ma'am. Bye.
Yes, yes. Okay, bye bye.
Bye. Bye.